And it's actually very complex, and I can come back to it later.
Actually, Mohammed, just to make it a discussion, I'd like to jump in for a second. The healthcare life science industry, mainly the biotech drug discovery business, is unique in this CVC landscape, in my opinion. I think you had a number of large pharmaceutical companies that were facing patent cliffs. So they're selling some drug, they have an exclusive right to sell it for a high price, and it's going to go generic. And so they know their multi-billions coming in is going to really go down, and they know exactly when. So the budget they had for R&D, buildings filled with people doing research, had to come down by 30% a year for like years in a row. And so but if they don't get new drugs to sell that they have the patents for, that they can sell at the high price, where does the business go? So they were forced to actually invest into VC funds, yet at the same time, for a financial VC like myself, we want, if you invest in my VC fund, and 3 years later I come back saying, invest in my next fund, but then you say, Andrew, you still haven't returned the money. You're doing this 15-year play with phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 clinical trials, FDA binary failure. You can go fail like 3 times ahead of you. It's tough for the financial guys. So almost no deal is getting done without a CVC. I think that the numbers range from like 20 to 40% in the United States. Markets like Japan, 80% of all venture capital financings have at least one CVC in it, and the other 20% are these keiretsu groups of companies or trading houses. So is Mitsui Sumitomo a CVC? I would almost argue it's a conglomerate, so yes. They're not financially driven like me. They're looking for strategic fit. So in your space, Mohammed, I would say that almost don't consider going to the financial VC without a strategic corporate ready to do business with you, and they're motivated to do it beyond me just trying to return cash and make the biggest IRR, cash on cash multiple I can make.